right?
Actually, I felt this.
Huh.
What
so
I'm saying
you have
is,
to be very careful in that way. That
actually,
you should not speak anything about anything
this
bad.
actually this I noticed some 10-15 years back,
Achha.
and I mean now I can tell you, I never realized, I was never aware of all this, but 3-4 times, 3-4 deaths happened.
Huh?
Deaths happened.
Death happened. Okay.
Deaths.
Okay then.
And it was like sometimes you curse someone and the person dies.
So you realize yourself that the.
Then I felt very odd.
That is why people say that you must have guru. When you do meditation, you must have guru.
And I never done meditation.
You have not done meditation?
Never.
But because whatever
actually I just do for 20 minutes just like that now, because since I got this thing brain, then I wanted to explore what happens beyond this. If I am able to control all my thoughts, if I sit like this quietly, there is nothing in my mind.
Achha.
What do I do beyond this? What will happen beyond this? That I am trying to now.
Beyond this, whosoever comes to the end of the Kundalini Jagran movement, the last stage is this. They see one lotus, golden lotus, no? Sometimes Savasi lotus, and then the last part you will see the light.
Okay.
Like you lit the light, Jyot. That is the last part. There you will feel secluded. That I don't like this world, and you become virakta. Virakta comes. You don't like anything. But those who are sadhak, they can control themselves.
In controlling what? Like liking and disliking? About liking the world?
They can control. Those who have gurus.
I feel this, that I don't like anything in the world now. I have lost all attraction towards anything.
It is, you see, whatever.
Even women, even no sex, nothing. I have overcome.
You see, whatever he's telling, this is the part of Kundalini.
And
this is his prarabdha. Whatever he's feeling, it is not. It comes out all of a sudden. See, like me. From childhood time, I used to do the meditation. I used to pray Lord Shiva. From 4 years, I used to go and pray in the temple, right? But I didn't know. But I was so much attached with Lord Shiva. I used to love him like anything. And I had very good experience, but I cannot tell you, with Lord Shiva. He is my guru because I did not meet him, Mahavatar Babaji. I said, I want to meet such a guru who lives in jungle. So I met him. So I saw his photograph. But today also I can feel that, whether I have not met him, but I feel that he is with me. That is a big thing. You know. And about Mahavatar Baba, one thing more I want to tell you. Few years back, one person who was in army, he was tracking there. This is the Shakti of Sadhana, whatever I am saying. He was tracking and all of a sudden he fell into the dug. He fell there and he was about to die. One person came and he put his hand and put it up. Young boy, young saint. He said, I thought my life is finished, but thank you so much. And who you are? He said, I am an ordinary saint. You have come from which place? He said. He said, I have come from some place. He said, you close your eyes and you will reach there. He was surprised. He said, how can it be possible? He closed his eyes and he was at home. Then he described about Avatar Baba. This is the power of Avatar Baba. Yogis can make, if they do like this, if he is living in this snowfall is there, he can do like this and the snow will dissolve. If he wants to make one village, just he will do like this, the village will come. This is the power of Yoga Shakti. If he wants to travel anywhere without ticket, he can travel many times. With yogis, he travels with many times. He can become small boy, but the giants he will become small child. He cannot take the body of woman. woman.
Woman.
Woman deity will come in woman's this thing, and if the God will come, he will come in the form of God. And one more thing I want to tell you. One of my son, he made son, he was devotee of Lord Shiva. He was running his shop, and he said, today I will not work because I have meditated so much. And you have, unless until you come and bless me, he said, because you used to love Parvati and Lord Shiva, I will not start my work. So he said, all of a sudden, one old lady came, and he put Ashirvad and went away. He told me that. He said, who was she? I said, she was. He said, I felt so happy after that. I felt so rejoiced. I said, that was Parvati Ma, because you asked that you come and bless me. So she came and blessed you. It is your belief and your thought. It is not that our ideas. It really comes when you meditate and you love deity. See, love begets love and hatred becomes hatred. If suppose you put some picture, you start, like you make your friend. If she loves me, I will. Love begets love. If I love deity, they also love me. I have full faith and blind faith on Lord Shiva. And I had many experiences, but I cannot tell you about that. With Lord Shiva also. Many times when I felt sick, they came to help me. This time also, I felt Ma Gangotri. My bag was packed, to come up. I said, I'm coming, Ma, because half of my life I stayed there, I missed her. And I said, so Ma helped me so much that all of a sudden it came that I had this thing. And so those other people say, what sort of karmas I have done that it happens. I said, thank you so much. I said to Ma, thank you, because you have helped me and I went for operation. If I would have been there, then what happens? There was no doctor, no such thing. Because they love me, that's why they put the signal. That become alright and come.
So
right?
how many years you lived in the cave in Gomukh?
25. No, 2 years in caves and 23 years in tent.
In the tent.
But I had very, very nice, after meeting him, I felt I have very, very nice experience which I cannot share with you. But you feel different. You feel that you feel energetic. You feel light. My husband used to tell. My husband also saw yogini many times. And yogis. And in tantric, those who do tantric, then there are bhairvis. They are also very good-looking girls. And Bhairav sadhana they do in Kamakhya Devi.
Kamakhya Devi.
Have you been there?
Yeah, I've been there.
Have you been to there further you went down?
Yeah, I've been
Where
there.
do they do sadhana?
Yes.
Very beautiful people you have seen?
No, I don't remember. I had gone in 2006.
Acha.
Kamakhya Devi, Guwahati.
Yes. So there if you go further, they do yogini sadhana. Yogini ko kaise? How do they sit the yoginis?
Okay.
So in sadhana they sit nude, and they charge at least like 21,000, 50,000 for to make siddhis of yoginis. So they sit nude, and the yogi starts doing sadhana. If his thought little bit becomes dirty, immediately they fall from the sadhana. Fail. If he does not fail, and he has succeeded in that, that is not dirty sadhana. That is one of part of sadhana.
Yeah, the lust is one of the last obstacles.
That is there. That is why they do the sadhana of yoginis. That when you see somebody, you don't fall. You don't have dirty feelings. If you do the siddhis of that, you are
Actually,
passed.
I have also in the last 1 and 2, mostly in last 1 year, I have kind of almost overcome all that. I have almost overcome all that.
Over that, okay, very
Yes.
good, very good.
But it's not that I've tried it or something, but
Automatically,
I feel
this is
that.
your prarabdha, last birth,
Yeah.
sadhana which is carrying on, maybe later, maybe in this age. It is your sadhana, part of sadhana. See, all of a sudden,
Yeah.
I met one engineer. He said, what happens? He said, I was just eating and in the club. I used to go to club and here and there. All of a sudden, I felt this is all rubbish. This world is rubbish all of a sudden. And Mataji, I left immediately everything. And I became sadhu. So how did they become? Because the prarabdha sadhana. Huh? Engineers. My husband's guru was astronaut
Astronaut.
in America.
Okay.
And he left all things.
What was his name?
I forgot the name.
Okay.
But I have got the picture. My Ram Baba's, my husband's guru. And he lived he used to put one dhoti and he lived with him for 20 years in Tapovan.
Tapovan.
He used to, in cave. So he was astronaut and all of a sudden he became sadhu. So this is his prarabdha. This is my prarabdha that I met him and all of a sudden. But everything started from the childhood. I told you at the 20 years.
Yeah, I'm able to also recollect a lot of things from my childhood now. Lot of things I remember.
From many things. And one day I cooked the food. I come from very well, but I am telling you, I come from very well-to-do family. And I have, whatever I liked, I laid on the table. And the one voice came. That today you are eating here, tomorrow you will sit down and eat. I said, whose voice is this? Why should I sit down and eat? So see, this is happening. And one day my friend used to love me very much. She said, you are so late, 1330s, your marriage you could not get married. Come, I'll take you to some person who has got Siddhi, he will tell you. I said, no, I'm not bothered. If I'm not married, I'm not bothered. I'm very happy like this. So he said, looking my hand, Arey, your place is in Hardwar. You are not made for this world. Your place is other. You do japa over there. I said, come on, man, he's stupid. How can I? How can? Because I was not materialistic. Like I was not so much attached with the family or not like this. I used to remain in the house and go to prayer and come back to the house. I said, how come? Then first time I went to the Kedarnath and Badrinath and I met one Naga Baba. And I was just praying and doing like this, singing song of God and like this I was doing. I saw that one Naga Baba was coming from there, and my habit is to touch everyone's feet, those who are old saints. Today also I have got habit. So I touched his feet. He said, God bless you. I said, Baba, he talked to me, where are you going? Like this, like this, like this. What are you doing from where you are? And I said, Babaji, I have come for the first time to see this place. And when he was talking, I said, Babaji, everyone says that my place is there and this and this. I said, he said, why are you telling me lies? Don't you know what you have said? I said, no. You know it, you are telling lie. He said, you are telling lies. I said, why should I tell lie? He said, see that cave. He said, see that cave? And that is your place. You are asking where is your place? That is your place. I said, stupid. How can I go there? What is the connection of cave? And I see after marriage I went to the cave only. I remembered that sadhu. I said that is the truth because he was giving me indication. Maybe because you see one does not know about their powers. If suppose I know my powers also, I will not care. Because I am attached with God. The God also takes a lot of test of your thing, that how much she get, how much she is attached with you. So I never bothered about powers. And it came. I saw many things, but I cannot tell you. I just like you go to toilet and do the shit and come out. It was just like it. But few people, those who get in first step of sadhana, they get Shakti, they start charging money. They become professional. That is, it has come, what can I do bad, what can I do good? This is wrong. My husband never used to charge even single pie, and he never used to wear this thing, tikka and strings. He was a very simple man. I'll show you the photograph of him. Ram Bhagwan.
I have seen his video on YouTube about Ram.
YouTube, somebody must have put.
Yeah, somebody must have.
He
I think
is
I
the-
heard about you also on the YouTube.
YouTube? Who has put?
I don't know. Because I do a lot of search on YouTube about saints.
Acha, acha.
And I think when I was searching for Gomukh, Gangotri, Tapovan, there I think I.
Because he lived there for 40 years, no?
Yeah, I think I.
And many people knew about him.
Somebody must have put on the
Uh-huh.
internet.
In Gomukh here somebody came
Mhm.
and he was taking the picture of him. And he was asking about the yoga sadhana. And he was telling a little bit about sadhana because no sadhak will tell you anything.
Yeah, I'm not asking. I don't want to ask also because I think I feel that's a way to explore yourself.
What is your ambition actually?
My ambition is slowly I feel this world is not for me and I want to spend.
What do you want to get in your life?
One of my ambition is to spread happiness in the humanity and bring humanity to life.
Okay.
Not to remove this dirty world,
Mhm.
may bring changes in people, and that's one of my ambition. And do service, and I feel it's not that like I want to reach Lord Shiva right now, but I think to reach there are a lot of other paths, and I think first I have to give back to the humanity, try to change the humanity, bring happiness in people.
Make happiness. But if you have power, then you can make happiness, no?
I want to make the people change the way they think, make them pure. That
Acha,
is
make
what
them
my
pure.
ambition is.
That is your
That is one of my ambitions.
Very good, very good.
And rest all, I think, whatever the way God wants to do it. So I feel that there is.
You
I've
don't
been
want to
feeling.
feel who I am, from where I've come,
I
what
think
I'm
I've
doing,
understood that.
where will I reach after this.
I feel I have understood that quite a lot.
You have understood a lot
Yes.
about yourself.
Yes.
You see,
I feel we have come and we will go. That is very clear.
no, that is so clear.
Yeah.
But about you, that suppose, what is your good name?
Shiv Mathur.
Shiv Mathur. Acha. So I will say this is your name. This is your name, not your name. Why? Because the name dissolves after your death.
Yeah, I say
Atma is pure. It
name is not mine, body is not mine.
mine.
Yes.
No, body is yours,
Yeah, it's okay.
but name dissolves.
Yeah.
If today I die, my name will.
Name is like a code given to a person
Uh-huh.
just for identification.
But because maybe your last birth you was Ram and she was some other name. Name keeps on changing.
Yes.
But the like bhakti, it carries on like this. Only carries on. If you have started, you want to achieve something, that happiness. Happiness, you can change somebody if you have power and if you understand. But it's not that you cannot achieve it, right? Like one rose, when you go to the garden, right? The rose fragrance goes so far away. Are you understanding? Like if a good person goes anywhere, like you thinking, your thoughts, like your thoughts. If you go anywhere and if you have that much knowledge, the good things carries with you. So whosoever meet you, it will pass.
That I'm
It will
experiencing.
pass. It will pass to another person.